dear Shada Public School Gangavati. My topic is democracy. As we all know that what is democracy? First of all, democracy refers to a system of government where the citizen exercise power by voting. Democracy holds a special place in India. Furthermore, India without a doubt is the biggest democracy in the world. Also, the democracy of India is derived from the Constitution of India. After suffering at the hands of British colonial rule, India became a democratic in 1950. It is heartening that the University of Engineering mandated focus on not a quantitative but also a qualitative aspects of education and aims at overall development of student personality. Democracy is the finest form of the government. Why so? Because the democracy, the people of the country choose their government to live happily and essential for them also. Peace cannot exist without the justice. Justice cannot exist without the fairness. Fairness cannot exist without the development. The development cannot exist without the democracy. And lastly, the democracy cannot exist without the worth of people, culture and identity. So let it be Constitution of India. We can become English reading of IAS, KAS and many others, and we can see lot of information about democracy and such a famous man who are present in the democracy. Thank you.
Namaste, myself Sanatha Siddhi. I am from 7th grade, Shada Public School, Gangavati. My subject is science and my topic is Chandrayaan-3. So, Chandrayaan-3 is India's successful, ambitious lunar mission following in its predecessor of Chandrayaan-1 and Chandrayaan-2. Chandrayaan-1 probed detect the water on the moon surface and complete the orbiting of the moon. Chandrayaan-2 detect water as well as hydrosonic ions on the moon surface. In the attempt by the ISRO, they launched a mission called Chandrayaan-3. On the date of 14 July, by completing its 41 days of journey, it reached the southern part of the moon surface on the date of 23rd August. Chandrayaan-3 mainly carries 3 modules: propulsion module, lander module and the rover module. Propulsion module mainly carries lander and rover 100 by 100 km into 60 into 62 mm. This is lander module which have the capability to softly land on the southern part of the moon surface, and it is also known as Vikram lander. This is Pragyan module which have the capability to explore the moon surface and send the photos to the satellite to the earth surface. Thank you.
Good morning everyone, myself Sujit from Shada Public School. My topic is discipline. Discipline is a choice between what we want now and what we want most. Through this thought, I would like to start my topic. Discipline is a link between goal and success. Discipline is an act of rule and relation which we follow from our childhood till the end of our life. It keeps a person motivated and controlled. It motivates a person to progress in life. Without discipline, the life of individual person can become dull and inactive. So discipline is a very important in every person's life. There are 2 types of discipline: induced discipline, self-discipline. Induced discipline is that we can lead by ourselves to comparing ourselves to others, and self-discipline we can lead by ourselves by learning ourselves, by motivating ourselves, by supporting ourselves. Thank you.
My topic is climate change. Climate change is a fundamental issue of physics and physics livelihood. Climate change is the causes of fundamental issue of space. Climate change is the threat our world has faced with drought, recent and constant temperature due to many human activities like deforestation. First, there is the weather and condition changes and season makes effect on the natural climatic cycle.
My topic is trees. Trees are useful for every living being. It is important because trees make the environment beautiful and give greenery to our environment. With tree trunks we can make furniture and other wooden materials. Trees gives us fruits, vegetables and oxygen. We should grow more and more trees and plants. Thank you.
Namaste, myself is Samat. I am studying in 7th grade from Shada Public School, Gangavati. My topic is historical monuments of India. We all know so much historical places in our India. For example, Baba Mahal, Qutub Minar, Ellora Cave, Satin Stupa, Lotus Temple and Victoria Memorial, etc. We should protect our historical places, and when we visit any historical place, we should keep clean, and we should don't touch any monuments. And such a really Hampi is the best example of historical places. In Hampi, stone chariot, musical pillar, Purandara Dasa Mantapa, etc. Belur and Alappuzha, it is built by the king of Sala, the king of Hoysala, who is the founder of Hoysala dynasty. Thank you.
As we know, the women are the most population in the world. Indian cultures give women the utmost respect. Many of our gods are female. They have been worshipped because of many faithful people. The goddess of wealth is known as Lakshmi, the goddess of strength is known as Durga, the goddess of wisdom is known as Saraswati. Women are the epitome of wealth and power. The role of play an important role are mother, wife, sister, daughter, all at the same time while catering everybody needs. The men who are in a job, they have also fulfilled the job responsibilities while managing home and family. The lot of men who are talented and multitaskers, but they have no recognition in society. Valid education is the key of women empowerment. They have been slowly awareness. The lot of women today are doctors, engineers, teachers, collectors, etc. Women also accept means decision makers for economics and financial decisions. The lot of women do not take permission from men. No matter what anybody tells ideas and words. So the real architecture of society is women. Thank you.
Myself, Rishi, I am studying from Shada Public School in Lavati. I am here to deliver a speech on education of girl child. Before I could start my speech, I want to tell Swami Vivekananda education. Education is the manifestation of the perfection already in man. Education is a necessity for every child, whether they are boy or girl. It helps a person study new things with skill and learn about the facts in the world. Thank you. Good morning everyone. Myself Bhavana. I am studying in 6th grade in Shada Public School, Gangavati. Today I am speaking a few lines about Indian Constitution. Indian Constitution is the longest written constitution in the world. It is also known as Supreme Law in India. Indian Constitution was adopted in 26 November 1949. It was came into force on 26 January 1950. Indian Constitution was prepared in 2 years, 11 months and 18 days. There is a preamble on the first page of the Indian Constitution. Indian Constitution declares sovereignty, socialist, secular and republic and provides rules and regulations for every citizen. No one in India can do something that goes against the Indian Constitution. Thank you.
Namaste to everyone. Myself, Gajendra. I am studying in 7th standard. My topic is advantage of internet. Finding information, searching for information on the internet, communication on the internet, online shopping on the internet, entertainment, playing games, connecting, sharing of research or developmental information, like global connectivity, setting even. Internet is the one of the most interesting and revolution in the creation of mankind. It is in the field of information and technology. Internet has lacks independence, storage capacity, enhancement of communication and information availability. Thank you.
Hello friends, myself I am studying in 6th standard in Shada Public School, Gangavati. Today my topic is input device. Computer and input device is a computer hardware equipment used to provide data and control signals to an information processing system such as a computer or information appliance. Example: keyboard, mouse, scanner, joystick, etc. Keyboard. A computer keyboard is an input device used to enter characters and functions into the computer by pressing buttons or keys. In keyboard, 1 or 4 buttons are there. Mouse. A mouse is a small movable device that controls the range of the computer. Most of the mouse have 2 buttons and some wheel between the buttons. Scanner. A scanner is a device that captures images from photographic films, posters, magazines and similar sources of computer. Joystick. A joystick is a printing device. It has 2 or more buttons and some move in all directions. Joystick is used for printing.
My topic is types of computer. Computer divided into 4 types. They are microcomputer, minicomputer, mainframe computer, supercomputer. The first microcomputer. The microcomputer known as a personal computer. The personal computer divided into 1 processor. It is used for homes and schools. Next, minicomputer. The mini advanced version of the personal computer. The minicomputer speed, storage and capacity. Next, mainframe computer. The mainframe computer is bigger in size. The server is created with more clients. It is used for weather forecasting. Next, the supercomputer. The supercomputer is Param is the Indian supercomputer. First,
Myself Arna. I am studying in 6th standard in Shada Public School, Gangavati. My topic is skeleton system. The human skeleton is the internal framework of the human body. It composed around 217 bones at the birth. This total decreases around 206 bones by adulthood, and some bones get fused together. The bone mass in the skeleton makes up about 40% of the total body weight and reaches maximum mass between the ages 25 and 30. The human skeleton can be divided into exoskeleton and appendicular skeleton. The exoskeleton is formed by the vertebral column, the ribcage, the skull, and other associated bones. The appendicular skeleton, which is attached to the exoskeleton. The appendicular skeleton is formed by the shoulder girdle, pelvic girdle, and the bones of the upper and lower limbs. The human skeleton performs 6 major functions: support, movement, protection, production of blood cells, and storage of minerals and endocrine regulation. Thank you.
Myself, I am from Shada Bhusri. I would like to speak a few words on time. Time is very precious to all of us. We should value and respect the time, every single moment. Once it goes, never be back. It moves in forward direction, not in backward direction. We should not waste the time at all till the end moment of our life. If we have no time, we have nothing. Loss of time is considered as a worst thing on the earth.
I'm from 5th grade Shada Public School, Gangavati. Today's my topic is Indian culture. We all know India is rich in its culture and tradition. It is one of the oldest and unique culture of the world. Culture of India is famous to all over the world due to its diversity in music, art, architecture, sports, etc. In this India, they live many religions like Marathi, Bengali, Punjabi, Christians, Koreans, Marwadis, Muslims, and Rajasthani. According to the religions, they make delicious food. Like when the Deepavali and Dashera came, the Hindu do puja and they take blessings of elders. Muslims read Quran and they don't eat food at the whole day. Christians read the Bible. In this India, they live many religions and they love their tradition. Thank you.
Good morning everyone, myself Karchik from 5th standard Shada Public School, Gangavati. My topic is the importance of food. Food is essential for every living creature. Food provides many vitamins, minerals, calcium, potassium, iron, etc. Vitamins like vitamin A in carrots and milk, vitamin B in fish and bananas, vitamin C in amla, lemon and tomatoes, vitamin D in eggs and meat, calcium in milk and green leaf vegetables, potassium in potatoes and bananas, and many more. Eating a balanced diet food is very important. This means having a variety of food. The famous proverb, health is wealth, reminds us about the good health. If we eat healthy food, we can live more prosperous lives. However, nowadays people are tend to eat junk food. That is harmful to our life. However, nowadays people are tend to eat junk food. That is harmful to our life. So we should not eat junk food. Thank you.
My name is Ayan. I am studying in 7th standard. My topic is about abacus. The abacus is invented in ancient Mesopotamia. It is invented between 2700 and 2300 BC. The abacus is in rectangular form. This is divided line. This is called as beads and this is called as rods. By moving beads, you can just multiply, divide the numbers. When your child will learn abacus, the skills of brain will increase and motor skills also will be increased. We will show now how will this happen. Thank you.
I am here to speak on education. Education is the tool which remove all the differences among us and make us capable to go ahead together. And it makes us challenging part of the life.
very easy to read. Education is like a yoga and meditation as it requires concentration and patience. Education mean achievement, justice, freedom, equality for all. Education help you to develop critical skills like problem solving, mental ability. Education is extremely necessary for all. No good life is possible without education. Education is important role in life of every person. Education is the powerful weapon that can change your whole life. Education change your whole life. As you know the meaning of education, E energy, D discipline, U unity, C confidence, A aim, T talent, I interest, O opportunity and nationality. Thank you.
Education is very necessary for each and everyone because of the education we gain knowledge. We know and respect in society. If you don't have education, you should depend on everyone and every situation. Nowadays, every nation is taking steps to make its people educated. We can say that education system in India is well developed compared to the countries in 1947. There are 18 universities and 497 colleges are there, but present 600 universities and colleges. But even we face few problems in ancient days and modern days. Thank you.
Good morning everyone, my name is Samarth. I am studying second standard in Shata Public School, Gangavati. Handwriting is the style of writing. Importance, good handwriting, alright, good marks. Helps in brain development. For handwriting can have in effect on the school function. Thank you.
ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ಗ್ಯಾರಿಕಾ. ನಾನು 2ನೇ ತರಗತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಓದುತ್ತಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ನನ್ನ ಶಾಲೆಯ ಹೆಸರು ಶಾರದಾ ಪಬ್ಲಿಕ್ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್. ನಾನು ಕನ್ನಡ ಬರೆಯನ್ನು ಬರೆಯುತ್ತಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ಅನುಷಾ. ನಾನು 5ನೇ ತರಗತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಓದುತ್ತಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ನನ್ನ ಶಾಲೆ ಹೆಸರು ಶಾರದಾ ಪಬ್ಲಿಕ್ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್. ನನ್ನ ವಿಷಯ ಕನ್ನಡ ಬರೆ. ನಮ್ಮ ಕೈ ಬರೆ ಶುದ್ಧಾಗಿ ನಾವು ಏನಾದರೂ ಸಾಧಿಸಬಹುದು. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಒಂದು ಗಾದೆ ಮಾತು ಇದೆ, ಕೆಟ್ಟ ಕೈ ಬರೆಯುವ ಯಶಸ್ಸಿಗೆ ಅಡ್ಡಿ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾನು ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಬರೆಯಬೇಕೆಂದು ತೋರಿಸುತ್ತಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಎಬ್ಬಟ್ಟು ತೋರು ಬರಲು ಸಹಾಯಕ್ಕೆ ಮಧ್ಯವರ ಈ ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿ ಇಟ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಸರ್ಕಲ್, ಸ್ಲಿಪ್ಪಿಂಗ್ ಲೈನ್, ಈ ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಈ ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿ ಬರೆದರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಕೈ ಬರೆಯವು ಶುದ್ಧಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು.
Good morning everyone. My name is Sitra. I am studying in 4th grade in Shada Public School. My topic is English handwriting. There are 3 types of C's. Number 1 C series, number 2 I series, number 3 L series. I am explaining now what the L series.
Hey.
Myself Tapsia. I am studying in 5th grade in Shada Public School. My topic is English handwriting. First of all, I want to tell you one thought. Good handwriting in spells. How to hold a pencil with the help of thumb, index finger, support of a middle finger, like this. There are 3 types of series. Number 1 is C series, number 2 is I series, number 3 is L series. I will explain you about a C series. These are the lines. First line, second line, third line, fourth line, and these are the slanting lines. These lines are help you to write a letters properly. In C series, there is a 10 letters. C, A, T, G, Q,
Shala Public School, Gangavati. My topic is English handwriting strokes. How to use the chalk like thumb, index finger and middle for supporting. There are 10 strokes. I will tell you only 3 strokes. These are lines. And these are straight lines. First one is up straight line. Second one is down straight line. And third one is combination of up and down stroke. Good morning, everyone. I am studying in science standard. There are 3 series: I, L, J. I will tell I series. How to hold the pencil? Thumb, index, supporting for middle finger. I series. I, J, These are straight lines and thank you.
Myself, Kriti Banerjee. My class name is 5th standard. My school name is Sharda Public School. My topic is animals. There are 2 kinds of animals. First is wild animal. Second is domestic animal. Wild animal live in forest. Domestic animal live in road. Wild animal eat fresh. Domestic animal eat grasses. Thank you.
Good morning, parents. Myself, Bhumika. I am from 5th grade in Sharda Public School, Gangavati. My topic is food. Food is exist for all weathers. It is animals, humans, birds, etc. In the food, there are 2 types of food: junk food and healthy food. Junk food like burger, pizza, sandwich, etc. And healthy food like vegetables, fruits, etc. Thank you.
Good morning, parents. My name is Srilashmi. I am studying in 5th standard in Sharda Public School, Gangavati. Today I am speaking about animal. There are 2 types of animal. One is domestic animals and wild animals. Wild animals live in a forest. Domestic animals live in on the road and house. Wild animals like lion, tiger, zebra, deer, etc. Domestic animals cat, dog, etc. Wild animals eat fresh. Domestic animals eat grass.
Afternoon, parents. Myself, Pratiksha. I am studying in 4th standard Sharda Public School, Gangavati. Today I am going to speak on Indian villages. India is a country of villages. Most of the people live in the villages. They lead very simple life in the villages. Villages have a natural beauty and they are simple and beautiful. Villages are hard worker and they start earlier than the city people. Villages houses are mostly made up of mud. There are oilmen, milkmen, carpenter, farmer, etc. people who work hard. Thank you.
Good afternoon, everyone. Myself, Sarika. I am studying in 4th grade in Sharda Public School, Gangavati. Today I am speaking about an output device. An output device is any hardware device. It uses to send the data from the computer. So they receive the processed information from the computer. The examples are monitor, speaker and printer. Monitor is an electronic device. It shows pictures and videos. Printer, a computer printer is a hardware for a computer. Speaker is a standard output device. Thank you.
Myself, Sajid. I am studying in 4th standard in Sharda Public School. Today my topic is technology. Technology is used in our daily life. We use technology to make our life easier. The world all around technology is spent totally all dependent on technology. I want to speak few words few lines on Thomas Alva Edison. He is an American inventor. He invented first bulb in the world. He is the greatest inventor. The bulb was technology of Thomas Alva Edison. Technology is a useful servant but a dangerous master. Thank you.
Everyone, my name is Shivalabha. I am studying first standard in Sharda Public School, Gangavati. Today my topic is animal and the zoo. Zoo is a facility where animal world, reptiles and other species are kept in confinement and are provided proper respect. In the medical facilities, vehicles are in which the animals are kept as per the government guidelines and are also displayed to the public. Thank you.
Good afternoon everyone, my name is Sahana. I am studying in third standard school in Gangavati. I am going to explain about English. My school name is, I am going to explain about English. My topic is my school. My school name is Sharda Public School. It is an English medium school. My school near my house. My school is the best school of my city. My school building is very big. My school is a very beautiful. I enjoy going to school every day. There is a computer lab and a very big library. All teachers of my school and very kind and helpful. Thank you.
Everyone, my name is Prachi. I am studying in third standard from Sharda Public School in Gangavati. Today I am going to speak up about science topic, living and non-living things. Living things move from one place to another. Non-living things stay in one place. Living things need food and water. Non-living things do not need food and water. Living things require nutrients. Non-living things do not require nutrients. Living things grow. We get taller as we grow up. Non-living things do not grow. Living things feel changes around us. Non-living things do not feel changes around us. Living things have lifespan. Non-living things do not have lifespan. Living things reproduce. Non-living things do not reproduce. Living things need oxygen. Non-living things do not need oxygen. For example, living things they are even tiger, tree, spider, mushroom, bird, flower. These are living things. For example, non-living things they are even clouds, pencil, bicycle, notebook, chair, drill, etc. These are non-living things. Thank you.
Good morning everyone, myself Asha. I am studying in third standard from Sharda Public School in Gangavati. My topic is about hockey. Hockey is an outdoor sport that is played by children and adults with enthusiasm, and the match duration was 75 minutes. It requires the endless. Hockey teaches us the value of team effort, teamwork and cooperations. It requires the endless dedications of and hard work of every team member to make a successful hockey team. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. My name is Vaishnavi. I am studying in third standard. My school name is Sharda Public School in Gangavati. Today my topic is material to use every day, such as books, pencil, eye materials, toothbrush and oil. Natural material is the that are quoted from nature. Bad material is by humans. For example, leaf, apple, pizza, egg, thank you.
Good morning everyone, my name is Pragati. I am studying in 6th standard in Sharda Public School, Gangavati. My topic is generation of computer. First generation, the period of first generation was from 1942 to 1956. Computer second generation, the period of second generation was from 1956 to 1963. Transistor replaced vacuum tubes. Third generation, the period of third generation was from 1940 to 1964 to 1991 integrated circuit. Fourth generation, the period of fourth generation was from 1971 to 2010 generation. Fifth generation, present tense and behind. Thank you.
Morning everyone, my name is Imran. I am studying in senior standard. Today my topic is kindness. I am here to tell you things about the value of the kindness. Kindness is the most powerful thing to take care of someone or respect and love them. Many people in this world have this wish to and want to hurt each other, Kindness should be the first place of character building in any person. Kindness people does not hurt each other, assure others through kindness, such as a smile, a nice word, or friendly with others. So please be happy with others and helpful with others. Thank you.
Everyone, my name is Naga. It's about freedom fighter. People who fought to free their country from an oppressor. Some freedom fighters are Mahatma Gandhi, Bhagat Singh, Rani Lakshmibai, Subhash Chandra Bose, Mangal Pandey, Jawaharlal Nehru, etc. Thank you. Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Sami. I am studying in first standard. Today my topic is about nature. Nature provides us air to breathe, water to drink, light to see, everything, land to stay. It gives us fruits, vegetables, grains to eat. Nature is my name is Sirata. I am studying in first standard. Today my topic is keyboard is an input device and the characters and function into computer. Keyboard have one or so keys. Also important keys are alphabet keys, number keys, mental key, paper key, typeface key, and alphabet keys A to Z. There are 26 alphabet keys. Enter key to move the next line. Space by key to give the space between words. Number key 0 to 9. Backspace key to erase the letters. Arrow key, there are 4 arrow keys. Up, down, left, right. Thank you.
My name is Yusuf coming from second standard. Today I am going to say about national symbols of India. The national symbols of India represent the culture and nature of India. National identity, some of the national symbols of India are Tirangana is our national flag, tiger is our national animal, lotus is our national flower, lotus is our national flower, mango is our national fruit, and Hindi is our national language.
My name is Shraddha. I am studying in first standard. My topic is animals. Animals are living beings. They are two types: wild animals, domestic animals. Wild animals are living beings. They jungle. Those are lion, tiger, fox, elephant, etc. Domestic animals are living beings. They are around us. Those are cat, dog, sheep, cow, ox, goat, etc. Good morning, parents. My name is Ali Khan. I am studying in UKG. Today, I am speaking about national symbols.
What is your national anthem?
Janagana,
Which is our national fruit?
mango,
Which is our national tree?
banyan tree,
Which is our national flag?
Tilanga flag,
Which is our national currency?
Indian rupees,
Which is our national animal?
Bengal tiger,
Which is our national heritage animal?
elephant,
Which is our national reptile?
king cobra,
Which is our national flower?
lotus,
Which is our national bird?
peacock.
Very good.
Morning, parents. My name is Advik. I am studying in UKG. Today I am speaking about my country. The name of my country is India. India is a democratic country. I am proud of my country.
is I love my country. Thank you. Good morning everyone. My name is Kanika. I am studying in UKG. Today I am speaking about friendship. Friendship is a very important in our life. We can share everything with our friends. Thank you. Good morning everyone. My name is Mansi. I am studying in LKG class in Salda Public School. Today I want to speak about vegetables. Vegetables are important part of healthy food. They contain water, vitamins, minerals. Some vegetables are onion, carrot, tomato, brinjal, potato, etc. Thank you. Good morning everyone. My name is Priya Dashmi. I am studying in LKG class. Today I am speaking about the political leaders of India.
Who is the President of India?
Narendra Modi,
Who is the President of India?
Draupadi Murmu,
Who is the Prime Minister of India?
Narendra Modi,
Who is the Governor of Karnataka?
Arjun Dale,
Who is the Home Minister of India?
Amit Shah,
Who is the Finance Minister of India?
Wallace